Small cameras penetrate the deepest regions, transport and display images that would normally remain hidden to the human eye. Endoscopy. Although most of us will be familiar with this technology from the medical sector, SEW-EURODRIVE is using the HANNOVER MESSE 2016 to demonstrate the industrial potential of this technology.
We can use the
endoscopic camera to look inside the gear unit, thus allowing us to check the gearing and spot any damage. The main things we check are the gearing, bearings and deposits on the gear unit wall. Appropriate measures can then be implemented based on the findings. This, of course, offers additional assurances to the customer, both with regard to what may be happening inside the gear unit, as well as for identifying any damage, thus allowing him to operate his system with utmost reliability. Another practical advantage is that the endoscopy images can be used to get an expert opinion from SEW and talk to the developer if necessary. We can establish what caused the damage and how we can prevent it. In principle, the technology should pay for itself for any gear unit, depending on its importance in the system. There are key drives, for example, that just cannot fail unexpectedly. The alternative is to remove the gear unit or undertake a partial disassembly of the system, which takes much more time. An endoscopic examination will cost around 300 or 350 euros, but removing the whole gear unit will cost around 3 times that much. However, the biggest advantage of endoscopy is that it can be used preventatively. In other words, before a potential failure occurs. This avoids unnecessary downtime for the customer.